Go ahead.
Do you have Jesse's stuff?
Yeah. I have to turn on my phone. I don't have it on.
That was awesome.
Peanut, where are you at? Show me how you could swim, love.
Okay.
Awesome.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, show me.
Let's go first. Go.
Awesome. Peanut, where's my little Peanut? Oh, there you are, my handsome guy.